In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Gmail settings and make the most out of them to personalize your emailing experience. If you're keen on customizing your Gmail account to suit your unique preferences, you've come to the right place. So, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to Gmail by typing in the URL or simply searching for Gmail on your search engine. Once you've logged into your account, direct your attention to the top right corner of the Gmail interface. Here, you'll spot a small gear icon. This is your gateway to customizing your Gmail experience. Go ahead and click on this gear icon. Initially, this will reveal the Quick Settings menu. While this offers a few handy options for immediate setup adjustments, there's more to explore. We're aiming for comprehensive customization, so let's take it a step further. You'll notice an option labeled See All Settings. Click on it to access the full range of settings available to you. Once you're in the Full Settings menu, you'll find a series of tabs running across the top of the page. The first tab you'll land on is the General Settings. This section holds a wide array of options that let you adjust basic functions and features, such as language preferences, page size display, and how your Gmail address responds to incoming emails. Take your time to explore and tweak these options to best align with your daily emailing habits. Alongside the General tab, there are other tabs, each offering a unique set of options. For instance, the Labels tab lets you organize your emails by creating, managing, and color-coding labels for better visibility and order. The Inbox tab offers you the chance to change how your emails are displayed by tweaking your inbox type and category settings. Don't overlook the Accounts and Import tab either. It's perfect for managing multiple email addresses, connecting other accounts, and changing your password. Meanwhile, the Filters and Blocked Addresses tab is where you can control who gets through to your inbox and who gets filtered out, letting you create rules that automatically sort, forward, or delete incoming mail. And this is just a glimpse of what Gmail settings have to offer. Exploring each tab will reveal even more personalization options, such as adjusting themes, adding third-party apps, and setting up vacation responders that make your email experience accommodating and efficient. By taking the time to tailor these settings to your personal or professional needs, you can significantly enhance your productivity and improve your overall interaction with Gmail. Enjoy the process of exploration and customization, and have fun creating an emailing environment that truly works for you.